Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is December the 10th, and Erika is eating now here the watermelon. Oh, with her fork. Erika, you eat the watermelon? Hum, 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 hum. Yeah, we are now in the clubhouse. Yo, that's our clubhouse. And you eat the water here, that's the roof of our clubhouse. And there's a garden outside. How beautiful. And Erika is eating the watermelon. Yeah. Wow. A small bite, Erika. Just small. Yeah, you use your fork. Okay. Thank you for eating. Hum, hum, hum. You look in the camera. Yeah. You smile. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye.